See, I don't script nothing, so I just fucking gotta go. So if I start laughing, forget it. Whoa. Back up.
There's gonna ruin the video if all this shit isn't here. Come on, aesthetics. This is what I think of. This is why I'm here. This is why you hire me. Pay me the big bucks. The big bucks. 2 scoops of pre-workout.
Shut up. Don't make me laugh. Okay. Breathe. Alrighty, boys and girls, today's the time. I know you're probably saying, Uncle Eddie, you've taken a long time. What the hell happened? Called I'm old and I'm slow, but we're gonna get it done today. Finally, we are going to review the Arez Super Slime here on Muscle Players today. But first, let me show you who's gonna help. She's helping out today. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh, hi, I'm Margo.
Her name's Woo 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 Woo. And there is Hero. But like always, motherfuckers. First, let's go in with that intro before we test out the new Slime Arez. Boom. All right.
Fucking
What's my name? Woo, woo, woo.
She's like woo woo woo.
You should edit in a dog like howling after.
Wait, oh no!
You fucked it up.
Something went wrong.
Oh my god.
Did you flip it around?
No, because once you put it in the software, it won't come out right.
Oh my god.
I knew something was wrong. That's why I was looking. I was like, why is something wrong? Holy
You
shit.
put the phone upside down?
I don't know what I did.
You gotta do it again.
I don't know, man. Can I turn and split it? Like turn, right? And then software?
Yeah, you should be able to.
I don't know. No, because that it recorded like if it was up like. See?
Just do it upside down.
No. Stop it. I gotta get this right.
This is why I had to have.
You fucker. Woo,
See,
girl, man.
that's why you gotta have the behind the scenes camera, because he's fucking up.
Oh,
Fired.
Help me, Jesus.
Alright, 2
Come
times.
on,
That's
this-
it.
We're getting all this.
Oh,
I'm
fuck.
just trying to fucking work out.
Margo, take 2, right?
Take 2.
What the hell? A clean lens. I clean this fucker all the time. I can't see. Alright. Fucking, I look like Gilligan on crack. She don't even know who Gilligan is.
Not from too young.
You don't know Gilligan's Island? Oh my god, that was
God.
Alright.
Alright,
This
ready?
shit better work. Fuck somebody up. Fucker, don't make me laugh. Alright, boys and girls. Fucking motherfucker, make me laugh. Fuck it, we're going with this. Alright, today we are reviewing, finally, here on Muscle Players, the new Arez Slime by NTel Pharma. Oh, I can't wait to try this. It says 1 scoop. Look. Looks like we're gonna have to do 2. I can't. You made me laugh, you fuckers. Alright, it's their fault, alright? Introduce yourself, boo boo.
My name's Margo.
Heroes in the house. We're gonna see if I can put the other clip. This was a little more fucked up. But anyways, finally today here on Muscle Players, and I don't know if Hero's gonna put it up. Oh wait, he got behind the scenes.
I'm behind the scenes.
He got
This is the good stuff.
He got the clips of the fuck ups. All right, so today we're finally gonna review the NTel Nutra Arez Super. I know it's been a while. I was waiting for bam to get it at Ruesco. They finally got it in stock, and a lot of people have been telling me, Ed, when are you gonna review it? I know I didn't review it, but we're gonna review it today. But like always, motherfuckers, let's first go in with that motherfucking intro.
The energy is loud.
I love when the people out there like,
What the fuck
people
is
walking
going
they
on?
don't even pay. Like Catalina, she's immune to it now.
Yeah, she's used to that insanity.
Oh shit. Well, if I could flip the first one into the software, then I'll use that one. If not, I'm gonna use this.
All right.
Check out these eyebrows.
What happened?
Check out these eyebrows.
What happened to them?
They're good.
When did you get them done?
I did them myself.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, the battery's dying. Fuck.
What battery?
My glasses.
Oh,
Yeah, it's getting dim.
I was like, damn, you didn't fucking charge.
Someone plug me in. I need a recharge. It's like holy shit.
Is this one still recording?
I was recording the whole
This
time.
one's not recording.
No.
No, this one's getting everything.
It must be hard being famous.
All right. Wait.
What flavor is this?
Nobody knows.
Wait, really?
Slime.
It's slime. It should be green, right?
I don't know.
What does green taste like?
Slime. Lime.
Maybe.
Lime?
Oh,
I don't know.
Pretty
Lime?
smart.
All right, you ready?
What are we doing? How many scoops we getting?
How many?
Wait, what am I here for?
You don't know how many scoops?
Oh, I gotta send it to you. Oh wait. Oh fuck. The ingredient profile. I saved it on my. I took it off for Wesco, and it shows.
Oh shit! I can't read that. What does it say? Two scoops.
Super
One scoop.
human pump?
Yeah.
Damn.
So I don't know.
What the fuck? Raul!
Oh, I for yo.
Celine!
Oh, there's mushroom in there.
Damn, we getting high as fuck.
Oh shit.
Super shroom.
Super
What the fuck?
Super
I
shroom.
don't know. 2 scoops, I guess. Well, no. It says wait. This is how we'll find out. What is it? How many grams for 2 scoops? I can't see.
18.
We'll weigh it. So if it's 18, then my scale. I bought that shit. We ain't getting fucked up.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You weigh it so that way, God forbid, we don't want to overdose. You'd be like last time.
Yeah, I'd rather not overdose. We don't need the wee.
The wheel lady. All right, pass that good shit.
It died.
It died.
No.
Oh.
Just
Every
like
like
your
that.
glasses. And
I
our
was gonna
soul.
say no. Wait,
Oh, I thought you were gonna take us a picture.
Hey, bring it back.
Oh, got a timer and shit. Looks sexy.
Yes.
That did not work for me. All right, bitches. You ready?
Who's doing the deeds?
You move over. Wait, go right there. Making sure this is working now. Can you smell what Uncle Eddie's cooking today? Let's go with the Arez slime. I'll let her have the honors of opening this bitch.
Ooh.
Oh, God.
Sparkle dust is gonna come out?
I know I got some sparkle dust letting out right now.
Oh.
Hold it. I'm gonna punch it. 1, a 2, a 3.
Ooh, look at the sparkle dust.
Is it?
Whoa.
Uh-huh.
Let's not snort that.
Wait. You want to take off all the shivings on the side? Wait, what does it look like? It looks like dirt. Weigh that bitch.
No, it literally looks like sand.
Gotta weight it?
Yeah, we gotta make
Actually
sure.
looks like-
How many grams did it say?
Oh, you can't see. 18 grams.
18 grams. All
It
right.
looks like sand. We about to go out to the beach right now.
So it should be, with that scoop out, about 20 to 21 grams.
How much is this?
The scooper's 3, always 3. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's right. One scoop is 9 grams.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's right.
So,
Yeah, that's about right. So
Okay.
2 scoops each. Okay. Woo! Got me nervous.
Cowabunga!
She's already gone for it. 2 scoops. I think your boy just walked in too. Shazam!
Cowabunga!
No, she did like me. Shaky hands. She missed a couple of fucking spots. I love when people are like, can you get the pre-workout in the cup? I'm like, I tried, bitch.
It's not that easy.
I know.
It's a science. It's a science. Ooh.
See that form? It's all in the hips. What is she doing? Ooh.
That was
Here,
pretty good.
You want to hit me? Boom! One more, hero. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my shit! All right.
Let's shake all at the same
Oh,
time.
I gotta get mine on.
Shake,
Oh,
shake,
we
shake.
got a hook hero. Here, give me that damn
shake.
thing.
Shake your booty.
She knows that song.
Booty.
Of course, the one song they play at every like wedding. 1, 2, 3, babushki. Lift it up. Ba, ba.
If you want to see more of Amargo, check out my channel.
Oh
She's a video
my
on
God! Don't be pimping her out like that. Hair is in my mouth. Hold on 1 second. Ba, bam! Thank you for the assistance. All right.
Shake it.
Like it, mama. Meets it. The woo girls in the house.
Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder.
Notice that wrist action? All right, bitches. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So, bam. Holy shit.
Damn, that's kind of strong.
That's kind of sour.
Yeah, like I need more water. I think I didn't put enough.
It reminds me of something in my childhood.
Yeah, scariness. What is it? That's why you don't remember.
Tastes like a
It's green.
like a sour.
Is that green?
lollipop.
Oh, it did come out green.
Oh, Sour Patch Kid. That's what it tastes like.
Oh no, the blow pops.
It is the color of slime.
Is it?
Yeah. Slimy.
I wish that we could like.
Hold on.
Wait, this could go really
Shit,
bad.
I'm
nice.
leaking.
Not in a good way.
This could go really bad.
Oh wait. That would help. Does it show?
Yeah, a little bit. How many idiots does it take to
Put it in a light bulb. All right. Let's try again.
I actually like this flavor.
Yeah.
Strong.
Fuck.
It tastes like a sour blow pop.
That's what I said. It's like the blow pops, but it's like harder kick. It's like, you know what it is? It's not even bad. It's just something with that ending.
I think you need like extra water.
I put extra.
Let me try.
God damn. Woo. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Got a little bite to it, don't it?
I don't
Did
know.
you drink it already?
Yeah, I killed
Damn.
it.
I need a freaking. I don't go to the bar very often.
Hero! Fuck. It's like every time you drink, it's like throwing lemons in your mouth.
It's like eating your hair.
Yeah. Flavor crystals. I don't know.
Do you like it though?
It's like, it's doable. It's not that. It's just, I don't know.
I think it gets you like kind of like excited for your workout.
It's got a hell of a fucking kick, right? It's like, yeah, right there.
Right
Right
in-
there.
All right, you fuckers. Seriously. Alan, you go first. From 0 to 10, what would you give this on a rating? This is a very confusing rating, man.
I don't know.
I don't either.
Based on what the flavor? What's the flavor?
Slime. I can't even describe. It's like a blow pop / lemon something.
It's like a fucked up sour gummy.
Yeah.
Like a lemon, lime, raspberry.
If sour gummy is the flavor, I would guess I'd give it a 8.
An
I
8?
guess.
I actually like it. I feel like it gets me kind of like sets the mood for the workout.
What the hell? What kind of workout you doing?
Please, everybody, go listen to her.
Yeah.
She's probably smoked before she came here. Did you? No, I'm joking. She's vegan. They don't do that. No, I'm joking. All right, so listen. Wait, you didn't give yours. What do you say, 0 to 10?
What do I say? I like.
What did you think of it?
I really like the flavor. Oddly enough, it's like a 9. Even though our faces didn't really look like we liked it, it was like.
Yeah, you didn't know what to.
But then I was
There's
like,
a fucking sour kick to it. Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't like it?
It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's something I've never had before. Out of all the pre-workouts I've ever drank, this is the one that stands out to what the fuck is this shit? What's in that container? Anyways, for me personally, I'll give it a 7 on flavor. It's very doable. It's like maybe for kids? Kids would love it probably. They're like, this is the bomb because of the flavor of the sourness. You gotta remember, she's like half our age. We're hitting chin over here. So, but I'm just saying, I'm being sarcastically joking around, but it's just something. As soon as you drink it and you take a sip and you swallow, then what happens is you get these face reactions like...
Yeah, like you can't even help it.
You're like, what the hell's going on? But... hey, it's doable. But, you know, me, as I always say, fuck flavor, I'm all about the performance. So, let's go see how this bitch performs, and we'll come back and we'll let you know, bitches, alright? Let's go.
Thank you.
tripping me
No
out.
wig?
I gotta get away from
Can
that
I
light.
wear the wig?
Huh?
Can I wear the wig?
Can I wear the wig? You? No way. You can't handle the wig.
Okay,
There's power in that hair. You know who she'll look like now if she puts the wig on? What was that girl in that movie back in the 80s? That she was naked, and remember she had the little pet. He put the patch. What's his name? He's
Blade Runner?
Yep. Remember that movie?
Daryl Hannah when she was in Blade Runner?
Yeah, she would pass for Daryl Hannah right there. See?
Yeah.
That crazy girl in the movie that couldn't speak. She was like,
Yeah.
Bertie.
Bang energy.
Oh man, we didn't do it. I forgot. Damn it, we're gonna do it one day. That video. Telling you where where he has to film us, and then I got like a girl's outfit on, but we're both like this walking from behind, but they don't know it's a guy, and that's when we both turn around and we're like bam, and then we talk.
You gotta put a legit wig on.
Of course, I got him. Alright.
Do you want to pet my hair?
Is that chinchilla? 100%? Alright, you ready, girls? Fucking shit, got my nose dripping. Ooh,
Got
gloves.
heartburn.
Signed? By who?
Me.
Yo,
Me.
Hero,
It's all
who they-
signed by me.
Hero, who they signed by?
Who's this?
Muhammad Ali? Somebody
Is
signed
that
him.
Chuck Zito?
Probably. Careful.
Yeah, it's the Chuck Zito one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feeling myself.
You ready, bitches? Alright, let's
Alright.
do this shit. See? That's how I know it's recording wrong. When the numbers are here on the side. See? Watch. That's how I know. See? Upside down? If the numbers are here where it shows. What the fuck, man?
I love it. I
Fucking
love
garbage
it
I
when
want.
it's upside down.
There's no
Damn you,
camera.
Samsung! Who you pointing at, bitch?
B-roll.
Again.
This is great.
I need a new iPhone.
It's fucking
Piece of shit. Want my money
Do you
back.
want some macadamia oil?
Yo, one time, my friend went to Happy Ending, and the girl, the Chinese girl, he said she was, doing whatever, and she was like, "You want extra oil?" He said, "His shit went." Brrr. He said, "I couldn't stop laughing."
Wait, is that around here?
I don't know. I didn't get the address. All I know
I
is
didn't know those things were real.
yeah, Happy Ending massage parlors. Oh, when you see Orientals coming out, no offense, that's where you know to go. Oh my God, he said, she said, "You want extra oil?" He said, his shit went soft. I was like, oh my God. He tipped her and said, "I gotta go." He said he
And
laughed
they
all the way
actually
home.
pay, like,
It's $75 for a massage, and then if you want Happy Ending, it's an extra $25. So you give like $120 with
they
tip.
just give you like a blowjob or a
Yeah,
hand job?
hand job with
That's
oil,
it?
and then like milk you and shit. Whoa,
And they-
come on, man,
Dude, that's recording everything.
Woo!
All the details.
Oh my God. Hero, what time you gotta go? Alright, boys and girls, let's do this! Time to give you the performance! Show your sexy ass with that wig. Look at that. She looks way better than me. Alright, comment below. What did I say she looked like? From
Daryl Hannah from Blade Runner.
Daryl Hannah from Blade Runner. Type it in on YouTube and then tell me she don't look like that crazy bitch in that movie.
What you say about my mama?
You crazy bitch!
The original Blade Runner.
The original
Harrison
Blade
Ford.
Runner, not that new shit. The one
Yeah.
with, what was his name?
Rutger Hauer. Rutger Hauer.
Right? Yeah. Alright. Trying to breathe from this pre-workout. Alright, who wants to go first? I'll go last. Bring it up here, sexy. Alright. Give your experience and from 0 to 10, the performance level of what you think. Go for it.
So initially when I took it, I had this like laser focus. Like I was like beaming eyes like at the weights. Like I was looking at them like, I'm ready.
Take a bite.
I'm ready to take a bite of you, dumbbell. So I had this like laser focus. Like I felt like my brain was working like perfectly, if that even makes sense.
Wait,
it was very like calculated. Like my brain. Like I had.
Would you have
this-
been able to use this for studying?
I think I would. Like it didn't give you like too much energy to the point where you're like.
One-eyed Willie.
But But it still gave you a good enough, like, really mental energy and mental clarity, and I think that's what I really liked about it. It made you, like, hot, like my face was, like, burning, but not the type of, like, tingly burning, like the beta-alanine regular burning. It was, like, hot, like a hot flash.
Hot flash.
What else did I say about it?
Well, when menopause comes in your future, you'll know what to expect. Alright, but anyways,
It gave me a little bit of heartburn, but...
Wait, the burping!
And the burping.
I got the burps! I don't know why. I never get burps from pre-workout. This kept me going, like Raymond used to do. Remember? I'm like, Ray, what's wrong with you? He's like, I got the burps.
Yeah, this gave me a little bit of burping, but I think the mental clarity that I got from it, I really enjoyed, so...
Sweet.
I would
0 to
go-
10? Would you use this again?
Yeah, I would, actually,
Holy
because
shit.
of the mental clarity that it gave me. And it really, like, I felt all my muscles actually, like, contracting and working.
The pump was
and,
good.
Yeah, I felt like my muscles, like, really, you know, not that I have
Tight.
not that I have the biggest of muscles, but you can still feel your muscles when you don't got muscles.
Hell yeah, girl. All right. Bring the other girl over here. Come on, girl. Bring your fine ass over here, bitch.
I did like it, so I would buy this. I would buy this for myself. I gave it I gave it 8 on flavor.
The label. The light. See it?
I gave it 8.
We in the club!
I gave it 8 on flavor. I give it 8 on performance.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. I had same thing. I was locked in, focused on the workout. Felt pretty strong. Got the beta-alanine tingles all over my face.
Pump?
Pump was pretty goddamn good. Pump was high.
Yeah.
I would give the pump an 8.
Yeah.
There's one side effect. It has alpha yohimbe. So you guys who are sensitive to alpha yohimbe, you'll feel that
Minty feeling.
that flu-like when you
Pulse vapor action.
Exactly. Cold yet hot.
All right. Who's got the hot garbage breath?
Yeah. So yeah.
That's what I felt like.
If you're sensitive to alpha yo, just be careful.
Yeah.
You know, you'll
start
get
with at least 1.5 scoop or one
You'll
big
be
heaping
sweating.
scoop.
I'm
Yeah.
hot, but I'm cold at the
burning
same
up.
time. Yeah.
It feels like you put your head in an oven.
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So if you're a little sensitive, just
Yo,
keep
imagine
that
if it
in
been like
mind.
100 degrees outside, we would have been dying.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thank God it's winter.
Or maybe it was because the heat was on in the gym.
No, I think it's a combo of the heat and this.
But besides that, I liked it. Like I said, I would buy it for myself.
Word,
Good
bitch.
stuff, guys. Good stuff.
All right.
And the man.
Here we go, boys and girls. My honest opinion. Here it comes. No bullshit. Ready? I give it a 7 on flavor and performance. Believe it or not, they got the best effects from it. I'm going to have to give it a 7.5. Reason why? I can't believe it. I got more of a shaky feeling. Like,
Yeah?
Like,
Really?
I think it's from the Alpha Yo. Sometimes it makes me just like cold and shivering. Like I'm outside in the winter, naked in the snow, going, "Ugh." That's what I felt like.
So we're in an oven and we're also naked in the snow.
That would get a lot of views.
I have
You know YouTube would shut that down. But anyways, long story short, it was a decent pre-workout. This doesn't have the DMAs or the DMHAs, so this is perfect. Actually, I liked it. It's just that alpha yo syndrome, post-nasal drip, the cold sweats, you're sweating all the time. I don't mind it, but the focus was awesome. That I like, the happy focus. And what else? The pumps. I'll give the pumps a motherfucking 9 on this bitch, okay?
Yeah.
But as for the energy, for me, it was like a 7 to a 7.5. It didn't get me that amped up, super high euphoria where I want to leave the gym, then go home and study, and then finish all my work. This is more like I'm still shaking for some reason, and I don't know why. But overall, decent pre-workout. Perfect for your, I'm going to quit DMA, AHA, DMA, and high crack stims for the week. You would switch off, and this is something you would use.
It's almost like a non-stim, like, pump. I think, like, non-stim. It is stim, but it felt like closer to a non-stim mental
Wait,
focus.
sort of, did it feel like your Mr. Hyde that you like?
It didn't feel as, like...
Cracked out? Right? Hyde is more like...
Yeah, but I
Oh, she's
really,
a Hyde fan,
yeah.
Yeah.
But I really did enjoy, like, the mental, like, I felt like a... Like I
Happy.
could, like, read his brain.
Yeah. So what are you looking at? Why are you staring at me?
Thinking about food like me all the time. So
Yeah.
hungry all the time. Fuck. Alright, so that's our review on this bad boy right here. Like I said, perfect pre-workout when you're going to cycle off of your hard stims. Right, girl? And comment below if you want more of
Amargo.
to be in the videos. Of course, here come all the fucking comments from you perverts. Don't you do it, boys and girls. Well, boys. Well, no, some girls I do got. Alright, so comment below. Thumbs up this motherfucking video. 4.
Thumbs up for the tattoos.
That too. And thumbs up the video for Hero. And don't forget to also go to Hero's channel. Say it, Hero. Pitch.
Heroic Muscle.
Word.
Thank you guys for subscribing.
Word.
Oh, and then she's on my latest video. So if you want to see this crazy girl, she's on there. Motivational
Just
video.
a little crazy.
Just a little crazy.
Like all of
A
us.
little teeny tiny
perfect for us. We're all fucking nutbags. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so that way you're notified when we upload a video, and don't forget to hit me up on the Instagram and Facebook, bitches, on the one word, Muscle Players. All right? Till next time, bitches. What are we going to do next time? Ooh, wait, there's more good shit coming out.
Me and her got to do a review.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what'd you give me?
Oh, the pumpkin spice.
The pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice Creed.
I've never had pumpkin spice pre-workout.
I saw the reviews
Nobody
for
has.
Creed, though.
Yeah, if they're gonna test out Creed, you're
By the review brothers, unless they got
the review brothers, you're gonna have to take at least 2 days off of caffeine to test that before you do anything. I'm warning you.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's one of those where you gotta be off of shit in order to give it an honest review. Like I know already just from looking at it, I gotta be off of something for 2 days. If I take pre-workout every day and then I try to take it, I don't feel shit.
Oh, we'll do it on an off day.
Yeah.
All right.
Right here.
All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. Uncle Eddie loves you all, you fucking sexy bitches. All right, till next week, you fuckers. I love you. You better fucking subscribe and then thumbs up this motherfucking video, or else in the face, bitches. Love you all. Mwah.
Mwah.
The point was to be a superhero. That's what I want.